How's it going, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for tuning in today. For today I have this Honda Accord that is getting a full exterior detail and it's getting ready for ceramic coating. So guys, sit back, relax, enjoy the show, and let's start detailing. If you live in Texas, you know how hot it gets over here, so detailing and recording all at the same time sometimes becomes very difficult. So all I did was recording the exterior detail, that is just the wash process of this particular Honda. So all the products and the tools that I'm using in this detail are listed in the description down below. Make sure to check them out, and if you're new to the channel, make sure to like, comment and subscribe to the channel. Hit that bell icon so whenever I upload a video you are notified. This was a very short video. It was just the outside detail, that is the prep work for ceramic coating. And guys, as you have noticed, I did change the name of the channel, so make sure to like, comment and subscribe to the channel if you are new. And thanks for watching. Just like always, I will definitely see you on the next one.